The circuit board of a mini split air conditioner is placed here, and the EC error code is shown on the display. I will separate this video into two parts. One part of the video will be about the inverter mini split air conditioners. The other part of the video will be about the non-inverter mini split air conditioners. The EC error meaning will be the same for both the non-inverter and the DC inverter mini split air conditioners, but the nature of faults is different. First of all, I will explain the faults in the DC inverter mini split air conditioner to you when this EC error is shown. This error means that the refrigerant in your air conditioner has completely leaked out. The unit is empty from the refrigerant. When this EC error code is displayed on your inverter mini split air conditioner, the other problem could be that the refrigerant is present in the air conditioner, but the pressure of the refrigerant in your air conditioner has decreased. When the refrigerant in your air conditioner is decreased, I will tell you its signs. Ice starts to freeze on the discharge line of the air conditioner. Due to freezing up, it turns white. This is how we can analyze the low refrigerant in air conditioners. The smaller pipe is called the discharge pipe. So always remember this. Other than this, for example, if the compressor or the rest of the components in the air conditioner are bad, those will have different error codes. The DC inverter mini split air conditioner or the conventional unit will have a different situation. Now, if I talk about the EC error code on the conventional mini split air conditioner, the first reason could be that the compressor may not start in your outdoor unit. The indoor unit has supplied power to it, but it is not starting. Then, the EC error code will be displayed. There could be 2 to 3 reasons that the compressor is not starting. The first is when the capacitor installed with the compressor is bad. The compressor will not start. The unit will start to show an EC error code on the unit. The second reason could be if the compressor's wire is burned. Still, the unit will show you the EC error code because the compressor is not working. The third reason could be that if everything in the unit is fine, the compressor itself is bad. The unit will still show the EC error code. Other than this, let me tell you that a bigger difference in the EC error code between the inverter and non-inverter is that a relay is installed on the indoor circuit board. The microcontroller has turned on the relay. The relay is magnetized, and then 2 non-connected pins come in contact. If the carbon is built upon those pins, the electric supply in the unit has been turned on. It could not supply it out. At the same time, the microcontroller has done its job. The supply is not moving forward, and the unit is not able to turn on. Still, due to that reason, it will show the EC error code. Then you will have to check whether the relay is faulty or the electricity is not passing from here. Now if the refrigerant is decreased in the unit and ice is built on the discharge pipe, still, your non-inverter unit will show the EC error code. If the refrigerant from the unit is completely empty, still the unit will give you an EC error. There are many faults in the non-inverter mini split air conditioner when the EC error is shown. While in the DC inverter mini split air conditioner, if the compressor or the wire is bad, then those inverter air conditioners have different error codes for those problems. That unit gives different error codes for different problems. However, this is not the case for the non-inverter. It will show the EC error code because it is not programmed with different error codes for different problems. It will show the EC error code, so you yourself will have to detect what the problem is in the outdoor unit. I will tell you what it will look like when the ice builds on the discharge line. It will look something like this. It will turn completely white. This means the refrigerant in your air conditioner unit is low. In this situation, you, without any tool or a technician, will guess what situation is in your unit and why the EC error code is shown on your unit. This way, you can check what the problem is in your unit. If the unit is completely empty, it will work, but it will not cool. If you are willing to support the channel, you can buy me coffee. For that, visit Patreon. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.